Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's session. My name is Joshua Aura. I teach at RCM Online College, CPA, ACCA, CFFE, CS courses. Now, today I would want to do a small demonstration and show you what some accountants who are not so good in Excel do. So I'm looking at an example of our RCM Online College in terms of our enrollments to our various courses. These are hypothetical figures, assumed figures. And I started tracking them down from 2018, 2019, 2021, like that. So if, for example, somebody comes to you as an accountant and tells you, hey, could you kindly give me the total number of CPA students for the 3 years, the total number of CPA. So you get some students saying, some accountants, saying equals, and then they start typing the function sum, right? It's right there. And then they start highlighting, like now this CPA column. It is a brilliant idea, no problem. And then they'll close brackets, they'll tell you enter. So they're getting 710. That is not what you should never do. Don't do that, please. If I get you doing like that, I'll simply conclude as an accountant, then you have got what here quite huge challenges with Excel. Now, this is what I expect a good accountant to do. So come and put your cursor here where you want to get the total. Come straight away, say Alt equals. So you can see Alt equals brings that entire function down. Simply say enter. You're able to get 710. Now, as an employer, if you get your accountant is able to do this, please add them a salary. These are very good employees that you have who are able to give you proper analyzed reports. They're going to give you very good reports, of course, after very good analysis, because they're good in Excel. And you know, Excel is the mother of all these things. A good accountant should be very good in Excel. Now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, I can easily share this across this row to get the other totals, but I want to take this opportunity to simply show you what if you want to get, ladies and gentlemen, totals row-wise and totals column-wise. It's very easy. What you need to do is to come straight away and highlight. And when you're highlighting, please highlight an extra column there, and at the same time highlight an extra row. So I hope you are able to see this extra column I and extra. Let me repeat again. Right? So like that. So you should be able to see an extra column I and an extra row 11. Now, once I've been able to do that, if I want to get the totals row-wise and totals column-wise, I'll come and say Alt equals. So you'll be able to see the numbers coming there like that. So this is not very well formatted. I'll come here and try to format this. I'll go straight away to my home. So my home, I'll be able to take this thing to the corner like that. Great. So I can come and make, for example, these bold, right? And also the totals bold or even underline the way I wish. Now, those are some of the things I expect. You will get a situation where, for example, somebody, for formatting purposes, somebody may want to introduce, for example, a row on top of what here, on top of this number 7. So you'll get somebody coming here. Of course, I have to highlight the row where I would want to introduce the row on top of what here, row number 7, a new row. So you'll get students in this case here coming to like right click, look for insert. No, you simply say control, in this case here plus. You say control plus, you can see a new row coming, right? The same case with columns. It doesn't matter where you want to introduce a new column. Assuming I want to introduce a new column there where I'm seeing H. So what I'll do, I'll highlight. To highlight this fully, you simply come on top of it. You'll be able to see that arrow pointing down. And then, of course, once you click on it, you'll be able to see the column is a highlight, and you can easily now add whichever column you want by saying control plus. You can see, right? And when I want to delete, for example, if I want to delete the same row, if I want to delete this I, how do I delete it? I'll simply come and highlight it, and then I'll say control minus. Those are some of the things when you realize your accountants know them, please treasure those guys. Those are special people. Trust you me. You may think it's a small thing, but this is very important. So I would want to take this opportunity to invite all accountants in this country to join my online training classes in advanced Excel. And I'm only charging them Kenya shillings 2,000. And I'll be able to give them access to my Zoom classes plus videos, which I'll be able to give them for their entire lifetime for practice, for purpose of what you're practicing. Otherwise, thank you very much. Our number is 0719 525 1000. Let's thrive with Excel. Thank you and bye.